Can you shut the heat off? So we're driving in South Jersey, and yesterday there was a snowstorm. It's the first snowstorm in like 3 years here. So we got, I don't know, like, how many inches?
3 inch, probably about 4 to 6 or 7.
Yeah. You went from 3 to 7. Oh, I'm comfortable with this jacket on. So they cleared the streets pretty quickly. One thing I noticed that was really great, when I lived in New York City, it took a while for them to come through streets to clear them, but here, South Jersey, I saw them out clearing right as it was snowing just yesterday. So today is going to be so cold. It's already starting. I think it's just going to be like 15 to 20 degrees, and the wind chill factor like 5 or something. Look at this nice drive-in diner. I think it's closed for the winter. Oh, obviously. It's been there for a long time. Over there is Camden Catholic School. So I really feel that the city did a great job, or township, I don't know what they call it, really did a great job clearing out snow. All these side streets, the streets are clear. And that's something we always had a problem with living in New York City. The streets it would just take so long for them to be cleared. And people would get stuck, all kinds of stuff would happen. Ambulances would get stuck. I just don't see that the sidewalks were being cleared by footprints. There's an old pizza shop. It says since 1974. The People's Pizza is called. And it has a little buggy outside, polka dot buggy, but it's covered with snow now. Car wash is open. It looks beautiful though, the snow. Look down the side streets. So here are these 55 plus apartments that they're building in Cherry Hill. And there's a trail here that we walk through. It's just a little walking trail, and we've seen deer in there. Even though it's a pretty populated area. So they're still doing some building in there, but it's a really nice complex, apartment complex, or condos, I don't know what they are. And then you have the shopping right down the road here. Someone's moving in there. So hot. And then they have, I've seen children here too, so they have regular apartments for any age as well.
nice and bright.
Yeah, it's a bright, sunny day after the snowstorm. It was so beautiful yesterday. It was just light snow all day, or kind of like heavy snow, but it was just all accumulating. It was powdery, really nice snow. So they also, these over here have garages. And then here comes the shopping. Here's the Costco. And there's a Home Depot. Crumble, cookie, bakery, bagel. So this little lake here looks like it's frozen. And over on that side is the Burlington. Oh, I didn't even realize that's right there. That's crazy, right? There's Bob's Furniture. There's so much shopping here. And then here's the Home Depot and this shopping center, Wegmans. So everyone's out and about. It's really not bad. Even though it's so cold, it seems to me like some of the snow is melting, right?
Yeah.
It's from the sun.
It's actually not so cold.
Yeah, it's, I don't know. They said it was going to be like freezing, but it doesn't feel so bad. This is the Bed Bath & Beyond that was closed down. I don't know what they're going to put there. And also the Christmas tree shop, which is closed, but it's going to be something else soon. And then over there is Starbucks, Five Guys. We've been through here before, but it's just a nice little, oh, and there's Best Buy. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I just wanted to give this little preview of yesterday's snowstorm. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.